I'm Sam Burke, Corporate Chef from Meat and Livestock Australia. Today we're going to show you a simple dish utilising lamb neck and lamb rack for a formal plated dining occasion. For our first step, we have some slow braised pulled lamb neck, and we're going to put it through a crumbing station for our croquette that will accompany our lamb rack. Dust it in some flour, followed by some egg wash, straight into our PANKO crumb, and repeat the process. And now these are ready for frying. For our next step, we're going to season our lamb rack. We'll just brush the top and all around of our lamb rack, followed by some sea salt, and lastly, cracked black pepper. So for our next step, I'm going to get a good sear on our 2-point lamb rack. I'll just add some oil into the pan, and then I'll put my lamb rack skin side down for a good sear. Now I'll turn my lamb rack for a quick sear on the sides. Finally, reduce the heat of the gas and transfer the lamb rack into the tray. Now I'll take my lamb racks over to the oven to finish off roasting. I'm going to put a probe in the thickest part of our lamb rack, and we're going to set this at 160 degrees. Internal temperature, I'm going to set it to internal doneness of 53 degrees, full fan, and give the ideal lamb rack to a medium rare consistency. So now to lightly fry our croquettes. Place the croquettes into the pan. We want the oil at about 180 degrees Celsius. Our lamb racks are now ready to remove from the oven and rest. With the aluminium foil, I'll lightly cover our lamb racks. And now our lamb is rested, it's time to plate up. And there you have it, the perfect main course for a formal dining occasion with Australian lamb.